Welcome parents, this is Chad Britton. I'm the Director of Core Data for the North Kansas City School District. The purpose of this short presentation is to show the parents of new students to the district how to register their student online for the 17-18 school year. So what you first need to do is contact the school or central office. If you know the school that your child will be attending, you can contact them. If you're not sure, you can contact central office and they can tell you which school that your child or children will be attending. And then what you will need to do is register them online for the 17-18 school year. This is the North Kansas City Schools website. I'm going to show you how to get to the form and how to fill it out. So the first thing you'll need to do from the website, which is www.nkcschools.org, is get to the form. So if you click on Departments and Programs, Academics on the left-hand side, you'll see registration. Right here it says for families new to North Kansas City. Click here. Now next to Create Your Account in InfoSnap, there will be a link that will take you to the online registration platform. Once you click it, it will take you to this site. The first thing that you'll need to do will be to create an account. So you'll click Create Account. You'll put in all of your information, your email address, your password, phone number, etc. And then you will click I agree, and then it will create an account for you in the online registration platform. I have already created an account. So I'm going to sign in, and now I'm going to click New Student Registration for 17-18. Now I'm going to enter the name for the student and the birth date. This will get you started. And you will have to do this for every student, and once you're done with submitting the first student, then you can submit the next student. So I'm going to click Add Student. Now this screen basically just explains what you're getting ready to do, that you're going to create information for your student to register them for the 17-18 school year. So click Next. Now you're going to populate all of these fields with information about your student. So first and last name, gender. This is where you're going to pick the grade for the 17-18 school year. So if you pick 4th grade, it's going to let you pick all the elementary schools. If you pick a different grade, it will pick the high schools. And now you can select the school that your kid's going to attend. I'm going to run through these screens pretty quickly. Previous schools. If you notice on here, anything with the red asterisk has to be filled out. So at the end, it will not let you submit unless you filled out everything with the red asterisk. So this is the contact information for your student, emergency contacts. Just make sure that you read through all of this. This is the health form. This is where you will explain any health concerns for your student. You'll click all of the different categories. This is where you're going to sign off on some things like youth friends, military recruiter access to your student, those kind of things. If your student is a middle or high school student, then there are some fees that you can pay now if you choose to do so. You can click on whatever particular fees that you want to pay, and then after you submit your form, you will be able to pay for those. This screen is basically saying, I understand that I'm enrolling my student in North Kansas City Schools, and I'm going to electronically sign that all the information is correct. The final screen is where you can review everything that you have entered. So you can read through, make sure all the phone numbers are correct, make sure that all your information is correct. And then at the bottom, I cannot submit my form because it's not all filled in. But if your form is filled in, then you could submit it. And then the next step for you would be to call the school that you have assigned your particular student to and let them know that you have filled out the online registration. And then you can set up a meeting to come into the school. Thank you.